What's up everyone, it's Forex Crypto, and if you're serious about making money in crypto, you need the right tools. Think about it, you wouldn't try to build a house without a hammer, right? Same goes for crypto. Before we even get into that though, if you're not already on a solid crypto exchange, you're missing out. I've listed my top picks in the description below, so make sure to check those out. Seriously, some of them are even offering crazy sign-up bonuses right now, so don't sleep on that. Now, back to those tools. Look, the crypto space is getting more competitive by the day, and to stay ahead of the curve, you need every advantage you can get. That's why, in this video, I'm breaking down the 5 absolute must-have tools that every single crypto investor needs in their arsenal for 2024. We're talking about tools that will streamline your portfolio, maximize your security, and keep you ahead of the game. And the best part? Most of these are completely free to use. So whether you're just starting out in crypto or you're already a seasoned pro, this video is for you. Let's get started. First up, we're talking about crypto portfolio trackers. These tools are essential for anyone serious about navigating the volatile world of cryptocurrency investments. Look, if you're serious about making money in this space, you need to know exactly what you own, how much it's worth, and how your investments are performing at any given time. This isn't just about keeping tabs, it's about having a strategic overview. That's where a portfolio tracker comes in. Think of it like your crypto command center, a hub where all your financial data converges. A good tracker will connect to all of your exchanges and wallets, pulling in all your transaction data automatically. This seamless integration is crucial for maintaining an accurate and up-to-date portfolio. This means no more manually entering trades or trying to remember what you bought at what price. The tracker does all the heavy lifting for you. Imagine the time and effort saved, allowing you to focus on making strategic decisions. But it's not just about convenience. Having all your crypto data in one place gives you powerful insights into your investments. You can see patterns and trends that would be impossible to spot otherwise. You can see your overall portfolio allocation, track your profits and losses, and even analyze your trading performance over time. This holistic view is invaluable for making informed decisions. This kind of data is essential for making informed investment decisions. It allows you to fine-tune your strategy, ensuring that you're always in the best possible position to capitalize on market movements. It allows you to identify your best and worst performers, spot trends in your trading habits, and adjust your strategy accordingly. This level of insight can be the difference between a good investor and a great one. There are a ton of different portfolio trackers out there, but some of the most popular ones include CoinMarketCap, CoinGecko, and Blockfolio. Each of these offers unique features tailored to different types of investors. Many of these offer free plans that are more than enough for most investors, but you can also upgrade to paid plans for more advanced features. These premium options often include deeper analytics, real-time alerts, and more comprehensive data integration. Trust me, using a portfolio tracker is one of the easiest and most effective ways to level up your crypto game. Don't skip this one. Whether you're a novice or a seasoned trader, a good portfolio tracker can provide the edge you need to succeed in the fast-paced world of cryptocurrency. Alright, let's talk security. In the world of cryptocurrency, security isn't just a feature, it's a necessity. If you're storing any significant amount of crypto, you absolutely need a hardware wallet. It's not just a recommendation, it's a must-have. Think of it like this. If your crypto exchange is like a bank, then a hardware wallet is like your own personal Fort Knox. It's the ultimate safeguard for your digital wealth. See, when you leave your crypto on an exchange, you're essentially trusting them to keep it safe. But trust can be a fragile thing in the digital world. And while most exchanges have decent security measures in place, they're still vulnerable to hacks and breaches. Cybercriminals are always on the lookout for weaknesses. Remember what happened with Mt. Gox? Yeah, not pretty. Thousands of people lost their investments overnight. A hardware wallet, on the other hand, stores your private keys offline on a physical device. This offline storage is crucial for security. This means that even if your computer gets hacked or your exchange gets compromised, your crypto is still safe and sound. It's like having an impenetrable fortress for your assets. It's like having your own personal vault for your digital assets, a vault that only you can access. Now, I know what you might be thinking. Hardware wallets sound complicated, but they're designed with the user in mind. But trust me, they're actually super easy to use. Even if you're not tech savvy, you can handle it. Most of them work by connecting to your computer via USB and come with simple, intuitive software. The setup process is straightforward and user-friendly. Plus, the peace of mind that comes with knowing your crypto is secure is priceless. you can sleep easy, knowing your investments are protected. Some of the most popular and trusted hardware wallets on the market include Ledger and Trezor. These brands have built a reputation for reliability and security. They might cost you a bit up front, but consider it an investment in the security of your crypto future. In the grand scheme of things, it's a small price to pay for the protection of your digital wealth. Before you make a purchase, it's always a good idea to read reviews and do your research. Make sure you're getting a device that fits your needs and has a solid track record. Once you have your hardware wallet, take the time to set it up properly. Follow the instructions carefully, and make sure you understand how it works. And remember, the key to security is not just having the right tools, but also using them correctly. Store your hardware wallet in a safe place and keep your recovery phrase secure. With a hardware wallet, you can take control of your crypto security and protect your investments from potential threats. It's a step towards financial freedom and peace of mind. Okay, let's talk taxes. I know, not the most exciting topic, but trust me, this is important. Taxes might not be thrilling, but they are a crucial part of our financial responsibilities. The IRS is cracking down on crypto, and if you're not careful, you could end up owing a lot more than you bargained for. With the rise of cryptocurrency, the IRS has become more vigilant in ensuring that all crypto transactions are properly reported and taxed. That's where crypto tax software comes in. These tools are designed to simplify the complex process of tracking your crypto transactions and calculating your tax liability. These tools automate the process of tracking your crypto transactions and calculating your tax liability, making it way easier to stay compliant with the law. They save you time and reduce the risk of errors that could lead to costly penalties. Look, I'm not a tax professional and this isn't financial advice, but here's the thing. The IRS views crypto as property, not currency. This classification has significant implications for how your crypto transactions are taxed. This means that every single trade you make, every single time you use crypto to buy something, even if it's just a cup of coffee, is considered a taxable event. Each transaction needs to be reported and the gains or losses calculated. Can you imagine trying to keep track of all that manually? The sheer volume of transactions can be overwhelming, especially if you're an active trader. It would be a nightmare. The manual process is not only time-consuming but also prone to errors, which could lead to discrepancies in your tax filings. Crypto tax software takes the headache out of tax season. It streamlines the entire process, from importing transaction data to generating accurate tax reports. It integrates with your exchanges and wallets, automatically pulls in your transaction history, and calculates your capital gains and losses based on your local tax laws. This integration ensures that all your transactions are accounted for and accurately reported. Some software even generates tax reports that you can directly submit to the IRS. This feature can save you a lot of time and hassle during tax season. Popular options include Coinly, TaxBit, and CryptoTrader. These platforms offer a range of features to suit different needs and preferences. They offer different pricing plans depending on your trading volume and complexity, so you can choose one that fits your needs. Whether you're a casual trader or a high-volume investor, there's a plan that can accommodate your requirements. Trust me, using crypto tax software is way less painful than dealing with an IRS audit. By staying compliant and accurately reporting your transactions, you can avoid the stress and potential financial penalties of an audit. Alright, let's move on to staying informed. The crypto market moves at lightning speed, and if you're not up to date on the latest news and trends, you're going to get left behind. That's where a good crypto news aggregator comes in. These platforms curate content from all over the web, bringing you the most important news, analysis, and insights in one convenient location. No more jumping between dozens of websites and Twitter feeds. A news aggregator does the heavy lifting for you. But it's not just about convenience. A good aggregator will filter out the noise and hype, giving you access to high-quality information from reputable sources. This is crucial for making informed investment decisions and avoiding scams or pump-and-dump schemes. Some popular crypto news aggregators include CoinDesk, Cointelegraph, and The Block. These platforms offer a mix of free and paid content, so you can choose the level of access that's right for you. In addition to news articles, many aggregators also feature opinion pieces, market analysis, and even educational resources. By staying informed and up to date on the latest developments in the crypto space, you'll be in a much better position to make smart investment decisions. Finally, let's talk about trading bots. These automated tools can execute trades on your behalf based on pre-programmed rules and strategies. Sounds pretty cool, right? And for some experienced traders, they can be a powerful tool. But I'm going to be real with you. Trading bots are not for everyone, especially if you're new to crypto. Here's the thing. Trading bots can be complex to set up and manage, and if you don't know what you're doing, you could actually end up losing more money than you make. However, if you're an experienced trader with a solid understanding of technical analysis and risk management, a trading bot can help you automate your trading strategy and potentially increase your profits. They can monitor the markets 24/7, identify trading opportunities, and execute trades faster than any human ever could. Just remember, even the most sophisticated trading bot can't predict the future. The crypto market is volatile and there's always the risk of losing money even with a bot. If you're considering using a trading bot, it's crucial to do your research, choose a reputable provider, and start with a small amount of capital that you're comfortable losing. Some popular trading bot platforms include 3, Crypto Hopper, and Bitsgap. But again, proceed with caution. So there you have it, the 5 must-have tools for every crypto investor in 2024. By using these tools effectively, you'll be well on your way to navigating the exciting world of crypto with confidence. Remember, knowledge is power, and the more informed you are, the better equipped you'll be to make smart investment decisions. Now I want to hear from you. What tools are you already using? Are there any on this list that you're planning to check out? Let me know in the comments below, and don't forget to smash that like button and subscribe to the channel for more crypto tips and strategies. Until next time, happy investing.